Building a computer from scratch, day 4. In the last video, I made a full adder. When you use a bunch of adders together, you can do math using binary. I figured in this video, it would be best to learn and discuss binary before I proceeded. Binary is a counting system in which it uses ones and zeros. If you see an LED on, that is a 1. LEDs that are off represent 0. Take a look at this. If you guessed 1, you'd be correct. How about this one? 2? This one's actually 3. Let me put some number guides above. When that LED is on, you add the following numbers up. Each LED is a bit. With 4 bits, the maximum number we can reach is 15.